Yo, what's going on guys, welcome back to another Shotcut tutorial. Now today I'm going to be showing you kind of the basics of colour grading, and just when I was testing some stuff out I made a little colour grading grid. This is a normal video here and this is it colour graded. It just brings a lot more colour out of it. If you go into your filters and then onto video and you scroll down, it's all alphabetical, you'll find colour grading. You will be met with these three wheels. One is shadows, one is mid-tones, and one is highlights. So you can use keyframes for these. I might show that in a later tutorial. Your RGB, red, green and blue. You also have your brightness over on the left. You could go for some cold colours or you could go for some advanced ones. So I think yellow is quite a good one. So if we select like yellow on each one, it doesn't really look that good. Go for some contrasting colours. So I'm going to select the brightness on this. I'm going to make that a bit brighter. I want to make that a bit brighter. We can bring darkness to that, but we don't want that. I think I'm just going to keep that the same. You could just put that in the middle, but it's not going to really do us any good. So if you put that right there and we check the difference between those two, see if it's looking good. I think it's definitely looking a lot better. So as you can see, this is a normal video here, and this is it with colour grading. It just brings so much more colour out. It makes the video look so much more interesting to watch, more interesting to see. These are my two that I created. I think the one on the right is actually better this time. So yeah, I hope this helps. Just kinda, ultimately you just mess around with it. It will work for your video, it'll work for your content, but you just have to mess around with it until you find something that you actually like. Hope this helps. Subscribe, like. I hope to see you all in the next video. I do apologise for these being quite quick. Peace. I want to make that a bit brighter. We can bring darkness to that, but we don't want that. I think I'm just going to keep that the same. You could just put that in the middle, but it's not going to really do us any good. So if you put that right there and we check the